Okay, today was tote day. I went out and picked up two. They are food grade. They are $100 a piece. And I got two in that pickup. And the guy told me he usually comes back with four and he puts two more on top. I thought he's crazy. He high pressure washes them with hot water. These look really good. I mean, look how shiny. Really good. Super clean inside is what they were. We got one strap going across the back that's holding them in, one strap across the top. That's it. And these things, I mean, look at this. They ain't going nowhere. It's like they're melted to the back of my truck is what they are. It's about a 45-minute drive to pick them up. Wasn't too bad because it was down back roads. It wasn't on the highway, the state highway, which is nice. So I'd like to get some more from this guy. I'll definitely go back and getting a couple more. This was pretty easy to pick up. Got to get them home, take them out, paint them, get them set up. I need one more to complete my system, and then we'll be ready for piping.